Alright, if you're like most of us, your Jeep has seen some hard duty and the underside doesn't quite get the same love the top side does. So in this case, what we're going to do today is do a really quick, really cheap makeover on your differential to make people think you've actually spent some money on your vehicle. Now, okay, here's pretty much the sum total of everything I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using a cordless drill with a wire brush to get the worst of the grunge off. Going to be using a little impact with a 1/2" / 13 millimeter socket, a torque wrench preset to 30 foot-pounds for reinstalling the bolts in the differential. I'm going to use these nice, pretty new cosmetic upgrade bolts. Going to be using some Rust-Oleum gloss, black paint, and some acetone and a rag just to wipe everything down after I get done grinding off the worst parts of the grunge. So let's get started. So without further ado, let's get started. A little acetone on the rag. Alright, and I gotta tell you, that's just a prettier undercarriage than was there just 10 minutes ago. So I'm very happy with my El Cheapo upgrade, and I think that will impress the neighbors and the Jeep enthusiasts in the neighborhood.